morning, children. Hope you all are fine and safe also. Okay. So, I think most of the children like playing games. No, many games are there. Many games that you know it. Okay. Next, I think all of like computer also. Doing in computer. Yes, you are very much interested in learning computer now. Yes. So I think previous class what and all we have learned. We have learned about what is the working of a computer. Then what's the computer hardware. Then what is CPU. Next we are moving to computer software. So I think when you reach third standard, many words that you are not familiar, right? Like you are hearing the word software, hardware, then many words that you are not familiar with that. So I'll after this class I'll teach you how can you learn it very easily. Okay. So what's a computer software? Computer software, or if you take page number 4. Okay, page number 4. In that you can see the heading computer software. Computer software is a set of instruction that tells the computer how to do a particular task. It is a set of instruction. Okay, instruction means what? Suppose when you want to go to any shop, so what will be the instruction? Maybe shop is in this side. So what is the instruction? You want to move forward like that, then move, turn this side, that side. Okay, like these are the instructions. Okay, set of instruction that tells the computer to perform, how to perform a particular task. Okay, so or you can say that what's the software? It is a part of a computer that you cannot touch and feel. So what we learn about computer hardware, it is a part of a computer that you can touch and feel, but software means you cannot touch and feel. It is inside the computer, or computer software, it is a set of instructions. Okay, so here some of there are two types of computer softwares: application software and system software. Application software and system software. Okay, there are two types of software: application software and system software. So what do you mean by applications software? It will perform specific task only. It will perform specific task only. For example, your paint. Paint is used for what? For drawing pictures only. So WordPad for typing only. So only for specific job or specific task we are using this softwares. Example, paint. Next, WordPad. These are application software. Okay. But system software means what? It will control overall the computer and manages overall the computer, all the activities in the computers. Okay, and this software is making this application software to run also. Okay, so very important. System software is a very important one, or you can say it is the heart of the computer. Without your heart, you can live? No, you cannot live. It is an important part of our body, like which is the brain of the computer, CPU, like heart of the computer is system software. That is a very best example is what? Most important system software is what? Operating system. Okay, operating system is a very most important system software. Operating system. Okay, so operating system is known as the heart of the computer. Why? Because it manages and control all the activities in the computer system. Okay, then it helps to start up the computer. Okay, operating system is helping for starting the computer. So without operating system you cannot start your computer. Okay, you cannot start your computer without operating system. And most popular example for an operating system is Microsoft Windows. What is it? Microsoft Windows. So listen. Important system software is what? Operating system. OPRATING. Operating system. And most popular operating system what? Microsoft Windows. What? Microsoft Windows. Most popular operating system is Microsoft Windows. So what and all we have discussed today? Like what is a computer software? It is a part of the computer that you cannot touch and feel, and there are two types of computer software are there: application software and system software. And application software means it will do specific task only. If it is a paint, you can draw pictures only. If it is a word pad, you can type. If it is a calculator, it is doing for calculation purpose only, addition, subtraction and all. So it will do particular task only. But what is system software means? It will control and manage all the activities in the computer system. Okay, most important system software is what? Operating system. Most important system software is what? Operating system. Without your operating system, because here you cannot start your computer. Okay, so without your operating system, you cannot start your computer. So one of the most important, like most popular operating system, which one? Microsoft Windows. So you got an idea. So this much only for today's class. So then I will teach you how can you learn the words and all. Okay, many words which are new for you. Starting itself, take your textbook. Okay, in this, how does a computer work? How does a computer work? Page number 2. Second page. So in that, you may be notice the spelling input, process, output. These are 3 words. How can you learn this? Input, I-N, input, P-U-T. In that way you learn. Then process. You divide the words and learn. Process, P-R-O-C-E-S-S, process. Then out, O-U-T, output. Like that way you want to learn. Then next, hardware. 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 Okay. Hardware. So how can you learn this? Hard. You learned in English. It is very hard. Okay. So H-A-R-D, hard. Where? W-A-R-E. Like that way you learn. Okay. Then software. Soft. That word you already learned in your English. Okay. Then software. Understood? So like that way you learn. Then like CPU. CPU, in the CPU chapter, CPU part, you may be come across ALU. 3 parts are there for CPU. 3 parts are there. First part is ALU, second part is CU, and third part is MU. Page number 4, you can see ALU, CU, MU. You want to learn this full form of ALU. Okay, I think CUMU very easy. CUMU because MU means memory unit. Okay, CU means what? Control unit. This you can learn very easily. But this is some little bit difficult for some students, right? So what you want to do? This thing you want to write 5 times in your back page of a notebook, then study it. Okay. Arithmetic. Arithmetic. And logic unit. And L for logic. L for logic. Logic is easy. L for logic. But arithmetic, some students may feel difficult to learn. So you learn arithmetic, like that you learn it. Okay. Suppose you write and learn. Okay. Then any other difficult words in this chapter? No. Then you want to learn what two types of softwares: application and system. Application, app, okay, application, application. Software, I think you already learned. Software. Then application, appli, appli, K, you divide and learn it. Appli, Cation, TION, like that. Then second one, system, system, system. Like that you can learn. Okay. So these are the words you want to write back page of a notebook 5 times and read your textbook also. Okay. Again, if you have any doubt, you ask me. Thank you. Thank you, children.